Alright, so here today we have the Plum Gator 4, and we have a little water tank here. And what I wanted to show you was how this phone is very waterproof, and I'll show you a few other extra cool things along with that. But this phone is also shockproof, so you could drop it. But yeah, I'm gonna go put it in the water. And as you can see, it's completely submerged under the water. And what I'm gonna do is call this phone, and you're gonna see it. The phone is gonna start ringing. There, the phone is ringing while it's completely submerged under the water. Calling it from there. I'll pick up the phone. I'm gonna answer the phone. And as you can see right here, both phones are communicating with each other. As I hang that up, let's go over here. I'm going to do a drop test with this phone. And I'll come right here. And this is at about 4 feet of drop that can happen right here. I'm gonna go drop the phone. And the phone is shockproof, so there's no scratches, no cracks, nothing on it. Very durable phone. Let's do it again. Super durable phone. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys today how this phone is very durable and it's waterproof. But yeah, that's all for the video today. Thank you very much.